Hi guys! So since my last video, I showed you how I try to make my hair thicker and fuller, and I showed you all the products that I use for that. When I made that video, I had just received another product that was meant to help me grow my hair, and I was really excited to use it. I had reached out to this company and I asked them if I could try their product. So today I want to thank Purity Naturals for sponsoring this video. They sent me Biotin Hair Serum Advanced Formula. And I have been using this very sparingly for the past around 3 weeks now, maybe a month. And I just use a very, very small dab to go around the hairline all the way. And then I massage, I go here, I massage it all in. This has given me a lot of hair growth within the last somewhere around 1 month. 3 weeks to 1 month is giving me a lot of hair growth. So I want to read some things that the company has stated about this product. I will show you the box and the ingredients. It says it stimulates the root of the hair, and that is where your hair starts. That's where your hair grows. I have been dealing with a condition called telogen effluvium, I believe is what it is. I wrote a whole blog post about it, and you can see why I started losing my hair, and now I'm in the process of regrowing my hair. But I will put the blog post below along with a link to this company so you can check out all their products. They have a lot of products. I had seen so many videos of women of color that using this product, and their hair was growing within 2 weeks. So I was like, if it's working for them and it works on the hair root, maybe it'll work for me. So I went to the website, and absolutely it says that it improves the hair health, which means, I know it's a broad statement, but it means that the hair that grows in is going to be thicker and stronger and not a baby fine whisper hair. You know what I mean? Not like, but like a hard hair, a thick hair. And I can feel that when I press on my head, I can feel new hair growth all over my scalp that is almost prickly. It's so thick. And I've really never had that in my life. And it's a good feeling to know that the hair that is coming in is nice and thick, and it's going to be a stronger hair and not a weak hair that breaks. Really excited about that. Also, it says that it promotes the healthy hair growth, which is what I'm talking about. Nice, thick, nice hair. It works for both men and women, and it's good for all hair types. And that's what I was worried about, because I did see so many people of color, mostly women, using this product. It was really exciting for me though, because they would have thinning hair in the front. They would start using it and you could see like results within a couple of weeks. And that's exactly what happened to me. My hair started growing. I had actually reached out to this company to ask them if I could try their product, because I was so excited with the results that I saw other people getting from this product. So I am very happy that I was able to try this out. This is the bottle that you'll get. It has a pumper on it. I did have problem in the beginning with getting the product out. So if you do, just open the bottle and release the pressure, and then it'll pop right out. And this gives you, for my hair type, this gives you a little too much. So you need to put light pressure on this, and I will show you in a minute of me using this. But I really love this product and I believe in it. And you know that I don't share products with you unless they actually work for me and I use them. So that is why I wanted to share it with you. And I have waited to make sure that this was going to be a good product to use before recommend it to anybody. I also want to point out that this company does not test on animals ever. So that's another really big plus in my opinion. They easily could test on animals, but they choose not to. That's a really big thing when you're looking at hair care products or any kind of, skin products. They do a lot of testing on animals, which I am totally against, but this company, Purity Naturals, never tests on animals. So I also must say that this is in part of my hair care routine. I use products to make this part fuller. However, you can also use this to make your hair fuller, and you can style your hair with this. I don't use it as that most of the time, but when I first wash my hair, and I'll just go through my whole routine with you. When I first wash my hair, I get out of the shower, I towel dry my hair, and I wash it probably every third day. Sometimes I have to wash it the second day, and I don't like doing that. I try to wait as long as I can, and it's usually about every 3 days that I wash my hair. So I will put this product in. It is a humectant, which means that it draws moisture into your hair, and it also has penetrating vitamins that open your hair up so it can penetrate in and in here, which is where you need it so you can start to regrow your hair. So the humectant, it actually draws moisture from the air, and it draws moisture from, your wet head when you get out of the shower. So when you put it in, it's going to keep it moisturized. Now this is a water-based product, so it's not an oil. It's not going to make your hair oily. Honestly, you could probably use as much as you want, but I use it sparingly because I want this to last me for a couple of months. I have seen people use this for 2 to 3 months, and I've seen people use this within a month. It all depends on your hair type and how you use it, because it can condition your hair from the mid of the shaft down, but it regrows, it stimulates your hair growth on the root, and that is what I'm focusing on. Now, I am on a hair growing journey, so I will lose the remainder of my hair, the long part. This is my new growth. This took me a very long time to grow, probably about 2.5 years to get my hair to this length. This is my old hair that I have cut and cut and cut, just to get it shorter, make it look like I meant to do that. But this is basically my hair length right now. And hopefully by the end of the year, I will come to you with a update that my hair is much longer, and hopefully it stays as thick as it is and maybe even gets thicker. Every day I am noticing new hair growth. This is also in conjunction with a hair growth shampoo and conditioner that I love and I have been using for several months now. And I'm also taking vitamins to regrow my hair, which also includes biotin. So I do recommend that you take hair growth vitamins, something that's going to stimulate your hair growth from the inside and topically from the outside, get into those roots and the scalp. So this product has a pretty good price point to it. If you go to the website, they have a lot of products that you can put together. I'm so excited about this. I'm hoping this is going to last me several months, but if it doesn't, I'm going to get more, and I'm going to use it up until the end of the year and my New Year's resolution video. When I do my updates on that, I'm going to compare this video to see the length of my hair and the thickness of my hair, because I do believe my hair is pretty thick considering what it has gone through recently in the past 3 years. So one of the ingredients in here that I want to talk about is the pea sprout extract. So not only does it have the vitamin B7, which is biotin, but it has the vitamin B5, panthenol, which is very good for your hair. It has provitamins in it, Pro V. So what this does is it turns the hair into like a magic potion for your hair growth. It gives you everything that you need to regrow your hair and to stimulate the hair growth. If you are in a resting phase of your hair growth, this may possibly, and I believe it has, kicked off my hair growth tremendously since I've been using it. My hair, I was getting like sporadic hair growth here, but ever since I started using it, like I'm getting hair growth in the back of my head right here, and it's really puffing my hair up and making it look like I have a lot more body than what I normally do, like normal. So that's why I'm really excited about this product, and I'm showing it to you today. I want to talk about some allergies. I usually have an allergy to products after I use them for a while, and sometimes it can be like a year, 2 years, 5 years before I have a reaction. I was using a certain soap, and it took me about 1.5 years before I had a reaction to it. And basically it feels like my scalp is burning, or in a bad way, like a sunburn, a very severe sunburn. It's called contact dermatitis when you're allergic to something. This, I have not had any type of reaction. It does not burn. It has a pleasant smell to it. It's kind of like, I think it's peppermint. It's like a very, very light essential oil, peppermint, some type of mint smell to it. It's not a bad smell at all. It doesn't have a lingering smell, so you don't smell it afterwards. You don't smell, like if you go to bed, I have a hard time sleeping with scents in my hair or on my pillow. Like lavender, I can't sleep with things like that because it keeps me awake when I smell things. This has no smell, so if you use it and you're sleeping, and you're not going to smell it. It is a good idea to wrap your hair up in a bun or keep it maybe in a protective cover so that it can penetrate in your hair and all absorb, because it does have vitamins in it that open your cuticles and your pores, and it goes into that root and it opens up and it sucks it in. So it does have the hair penetrating properties to it, which is good. And all of the moisture, it just keeps it moist, you know, so it's not dry at the scalp. It makes your scalp healthier. So right now I'm not particularly worried about the length of my hair because I know it will eventually grow out. I am just worried about replacing that hair that is falling out, that it's going to grow back and keep growing back, because every day you lose more hair. And it is said that you lose around 100 hairs a day. And at one point, 100 hairs was like, I was counting them, you know what I mean? Not really, but it felt like I was like pulling out chunks of my hair at a time, and it was very distressing. And if I had not been growing my hair, like actively trying to grow my hair, I don't believe that my hair would be as thick up here as it is. I'm super happy with how thick my hair is at the moment. To some people it may not be thick to you, but to me it's a very adequate. It's a very good amount of hair that I have. It's as long as I don't see my scalp, it doesn't give me any kind of anxiety, and that is what I feel that this is going to do for me, is to make those hairs grow. Like, I love feeling my hair now because I can feel those little nubby hairs coming in, and I love how they're like nice and thick. So this is going to make my hair have that thickness at the root that I need to keep my sanity, because I was really considering buying wigs and just being done with it. But I knew that that was going to be a band-aid, and that I needed to really, really try to regrow my hair. So I will be back in several months. I'm probably not going to talk about my hair anymore, but I'll be back in several months to share with you the results of using this past December. So it's going to be in January the next time I talk about my hair, most likely. So we will see then. All of the information for this product is down below in the description box if you would like to try it out. And if you have already tried this product out, please let me know how you feel about it and what your thoughts are. And I will see you next time. So take care. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to check out last week's video and my other channels, Fully Living, Fully Cooked, and Fully Fun. Have a great day.